Tips for preventing high blood pressure naturally. High blood pressure is called the silent killer because there are no real symptoms letting you know you have hypertension unless you take your blood pressure readings throughout the day. High blood pressure can cause a stroke or heart attack. High blood pressure is also known to cause erectile problems and prostate issues for guys. Having hypertension can also cause fatigue, brain fog, and memory problems. In fact, hypertension also accelerates hair loss. High blood pressure accelerates aging. And one of the primary causes of hypertension is the negative changes in your hormones due to aging. However, it's also very fixable and you do not need drugs. In fact, a combination of 6 specific fruits and vegetables can dramatically lower high blood pressure. You can treat high blood pressure at home by eating these foods separately, or you can blend them into juice or smoothie. Blood pressure meaning your heart pumps blood, oxygen, and nutrients through the arteries in your body. Blood pressure is the force of blood against your artery walls. There are 2 readings that measure blood pressure. Systolic pressure is the higher number, it measures the force of blood being pushed around your body when your heart contracts. Diastolic pressure is the lower number, it measures when the heart relaxes between beats. High blood pressure is when your blood pressure is always higher than it should be. This is also known as hypertension and is usually diagnosed when your levels are always above 140/90 mm of mercury. It makes your arteries less stretchy and damages the walls of your arteries. This makes it easier for fatty deposits to build up and limits the circulation of blood and oxygen. It can lead to a heart attack or stroke. High blood pressure typically has no symptoms. If left untreated, it can lead to heart and circulatory diseases. Anyone can have high blood pressure. It can be caused by eating too much salt, drinking too much alcohol, being overweight, or not being active enough. Blood pressure and exercise. Exercise helps to lower your blood pressure by increasing the efficiency of your cardiovascular system. The body movement that increases your heartbeat and breathing rate is called aerobic exercises. Incorporating them into your daily routine is easy. You can choose any moderate physical activity like walking, jogging, climbing stairs, playing sports, swimming, bicycling, household chores like cleaning the floor, gardening, etc. Blood pressure and alcohol. A lot of people drink, and a lot of people have high blood pressure. It's been shown that alcohol actually increases blood pressure. Healthy blood pressure is considered 120/80, a number that can fluctuate depending on your lifestyle. Blood pressure is not static, so if we were to put a catheter inside you to watch your blood pressures, it would go up and down depending on the stress level, depending on your situation, and in this fluctuate, but the body is very good at regulating the norms. Too much alcohol can keep your body dehydrated and keep your blood pressure high. If your blood pressure is consistently high, doctors may recommend making some lifestyle changes. Include diet, exercise, watching the salt intake and alcohol intake would make a huge difference. If you drink, doctors say to do so in moderation. That means no more than 2 drinks per day for men and no more than 1 drink per day for women. How to treat high blood pressure at home. Treat high blood pressure at home by eating these fruits. Here are 6 fruits to treat high blood pressure at home. 1. Celery. The best vegetable to add to the blender to fight high blood pressure is celery. Celery has almost no calories. However, they're great for lowering blood pressure because they work similarly to calcium channel blocking drugs, but with no side effects. Unfortunately, you do need to consume a lot of it to get maximum benefits for lowering blood pressure. For this reason, I take a special form of celery seed extract in a pill, 300 mg daily, which is the equivalent of taking 50 pounds of a celery stalk. It's clinically proven to work, it's easy and convenient. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a substance found in the tomato seeds. It helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol. It's a double benefit. I like the little baby grape tomatoes. However, if you're not a fan of tomatoes' business management articles, then you can take lycopene extract about 40 mg daily.